Hello everyone, this is Subhi and my group members' names are Rahul and Fatima, and now I'm going to tell you about how mobile learning. Mobile learning is a new way to access learning content using mobiles. Mobile learning supports continuous access to the learning process. Participants can learn wherever and whenever they want. There is more motivation, real-time feedback and long-distance learning is not a problem. It's no secret that more and more people today access the internet from a smartphone. Desktop and laptop computers are still popular, and instead of choosing just one device, it has become the norm to own multiple devices and use them for different activities. For example, if we look into the analytics of people who access EGLMS, we find that most people who access public content on our website use mobile devices to do so. Mobile learning facilitates any feedback you may want to receive from your team, since it's much easier for your employees to access the content you are sharing.
Advantage of mobile learning. Mobile learning is very popular, and in the past few years its use has increased extensively. Mentioned below are 5 advantages of mobile learning and why it should be used. Access anywhere and anytime. Since mobile learning is all about studying through mobile using the internet, it can be accessed from anywhere in the world anytime. Covers a huge distance. The main benefit of mobile learning is that it covers a huge distance, so even if you are in Canberra, Australia, or in California, United States of America, you can access the same content or test at the same hour different times. Distance is not an issue in mobile learning. Variety of content, a lot of content is present online.
Advantages of mobile learning. Inadequate technology, a risk of distraction from learning by using a device that can be used for multiple purposes, and the potential for breakdown in barriers between personal usage of the mobile device and professional. I would like to mention some disadvantages of mobile learning, such as software. Software issue is an application that runs on a device according to instruction embedded in the software at the time of coding. And hardware issues also. Unlike the software, hardware use physical device. The physical device use can wear out at a period of time. The last but not the least, distraction. Using mobile learning also create a lot of distraction. Many students open the mobile to learn something and end up using social media, website, chatting, sharing pictures, or playing video games.